Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use multivitamin capsules. Take one capsule daily with a meal to boost absorption and minimize stomach upset. Keep consistent timing each day to form a habit and improve benefits. Store capsules in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. Review interactions with medications and check for allergens. If you experience side effects, pause use and consult your healthcare provider promptly for guidance. In this video, I will explain how to use multivitamin capsules. Pair multivitamins with breakfast or lunch to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Keep minerals like calcium and zinc separated from iron by a few hours to avoid competition. If your formula suggests twice daily dosing, space doses evenly. Track your routine with a phone reminder to maintain consistency and avoid misdays. In this video, I will explain how to use multivitamin capsules. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable during morning routines and pill organizers. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like so I can keep making concise health tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use multivitamin capsules. Confirm interactions with your doctor, especially if you take blood thinners or thyroid medication. Never exceed the recommended dose, as excess vitamins can cause harm. If you have kidney disease or are pregnant, seek personalized advice before use. Keep multivitamins out of reach of children and follow storage instructions. Report any unexpected symptoms to a healthcare professional immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.